Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of two truths and a lie. I really want buyers to take their time and find the house that is the right house for them, even if we look at 20 houses.
That's the truth.
All right. Okay. I really encourage buyers to get inspections.
That's definitely the truth.
Okay. So, well, now you know this is going to be the lie, but okay.
It better be a good one.
We're going to play with it. Okay. So, I can still get paid if I show a buyer a house and they haven't signed the buyer broker agreement first.
After you go to jail. That is the lie.
That is correct. Okay, so your turn.
All right, so let's flip it around.
All right.
So two truths and a lie.
Mm-hmm. Mix it up.
Let's start with a good one. So as a buyer, I just quit my job 2 days before we're going to close. I could still close?
Yeah. Good one. That's the we maybe, but not on time.
Correct. Correct. So that could go either way. So I can also get borrowers approved down to 580 credit.
True.
Correct. I can also get somebody a down payment with 1%.
I know that's true.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Nice work.
All right. Join us for our workshop.